Dear students, welcome back to the video tutorials on biology first paper. Today I will discuss about Elothrix from chapter 5. You can see life cycle of Elothrix is shown in the figure. The thallus of Elothrix is filamentous, long, unbranched and multicellular, where the cells are arranged in a single row. The filaments are bright green in color and remain attached to the substratum such as stones, rocks or some other solid objects. The plant body is differentiated into three regions: basal cell or holdfast, number 2 apical cell and number 3 middle cells. Basal cell. It is the lowermost cell of the filament, commonly known as holdfast. It is long, gradually narrowed, colorless, and forms a disc-shaped structure. The cell is colorless or brownish in color. Number 2, apical cell. It is the topmost cell of the filament, which is quite oval and green in color. Middle cells. All the cells in between holdfast and apical cells are alike. The cells are broader than its length, rectangular in shape, and all the cells except the holdfast can divide, and their wall is composed of outer pectin and inner cellulose. Inner to the cell wall is the cell membrane. The cell membrane encloses the protoplast. It consists of cytoplasm, chloroplast and nucleus. The cytoplasm forms a lining layer or single nucleus remains embedded inside the cytoplasm. The central region is occupied by the vacuole, which contains cell sap. Important features of Elothrix. Number 1, this is a freshwater algae growing to substratum like sand particles, rocks, etc. Number 2, the plant body is unbranched, filamentous and differentiated into apex and base. Number 3, cells have band or girdle-shaped chloroplast containing one or more pyrenoids. Number 4, reproduction takes place by vegetative, asexual and sexual means. Number 5, vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Number 6, asexual reproduction takes place by bi or quadriflagellate zoospores. Reproduction by gamete is isogamous. Number 8, zygote on germination produces 4 or more zoospores. Those on germination produce new filaments. Vegetative reproduction. It takes place by fragmentation. Fragmentation is the process by which the filament breaks into number of parts. Each part is capable of developing into a new plant. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place in winter. It takes place by the formation of zoospore, acinitis and pamela stage. Zoospore formation. Zoospore are formed during favorable condition with proper growth of the plant. The protoplast either develops into single zoospore or undergoes division and form 2, 4, 8, 16 or 32 units. Each unit contains a single nucleus and cytoplasm. These small units form zoospores. There are quadriflagellate macrozoospores, usually 4 per cell, or quadriflagellate microzoospores, which are usually 8 per cell, or there may be biflagellate microzoospores, usually 16 to 32 per cell. The zoospores are morphologically almost alike but differ in size, number of flagella and position of the eye spot. They also vary in their swimming period. The macrozoospores can swim for few to 24 hours, but the microzoospores can swim for 2 to 6 days. The macrozoospores are pear-shaped with tapering at posterior, and while the micro-zoospores are narrowly ovate with round posterior end. Coming in contact with suitable substratum, zoospore lose their flagella and get attached. The cell divides horizontally. The lower attached cell develops into holdfast, and the upper cell forms filament. Aplanospore, with the sudden change of environment towards unfavorable condition during zoospore formation, the protoplast do not form flagella and remain inside mother cell as non-motile units. These are called aplanospores. Hypnospores. During drought, sometimes the entire protoplast of a cell may round up and forms a single thick walled, the hypnospore. During favorable condition, it germinates. Akinete. Akinete are formed during extreme unfavorable condition. During this process, the cell becomes enlarged, protoplast accumulates food materials and then forms thick wall around itself. Pamela stage. Sometimes the wall of the aplanospore mother cell becomes mucilaginous. Consequently, the wall of aplanospore also gets enveloped by mucilaginous substance. These covering protect the aplanospores against adverse condition. Sexual reproduction. Towards the end of the season, they reproduce by sexual means. The fusion takes place between the gametes developed in different filaments. They are heterothelic or dioecious. Morphologically, gametes are similar to microzoospores. They are produced in gametengium, similar to zoospongium. Liberating from the gametengium, the gametes swim for some time, fuse and form a quadriflagellate spindle-shaped zygote. The zygote takes rests for 5 to 9 months. After rest, the nucleus zygote undergoes meiosis and forms 4 haploid nuclei or different strains. The mitosis may follow the meiosis and forms 8 or 16 haploid nuclei. That's all for today. Please stay at home and keep yourself and your family safe from corona.